so bored. And I'll also shoot over there if I'm allowed to shoot. Where we can return our old books and get half the money back. I wanted more space. Hope you will enjoy this video. Watch it till the end. And hello guys, so I just came back from a bath and my semester 3 got ended yesterday, and today it's 19th of January, and I have a lot of things planned for the coming days. I didn't do anything new for the new year, so my new year starts from today. Yesterday I spent the entire day organizing my desk, and today I will be removing all the books that are of no use for me.
Painting pictures with my body. There's just something about me. When I get around you, I move so different when you're watching. There's just something about me. When I get around you. Get around you, I move so different when you're watching. There's just something about me when I get around. I save my lips for kissing, baby. Come and listen to the language in my vibe. I don't need words to show you I wanna get.
These two boxes. Over here I have some post-its, some paper clips, and my mic which I use to shoot. And over here I have some general stuff like a notepad, my ID card, some tape and paper, and a hole puncher and some glue. I will be putting these over there maybe. So this is what the setup looks like as of now. I have cleared out my desk, and this is what it looks like. I have all my pens over there, and this is the rack which I built. I got this from ikea, and this is my pouch and other things, random things, and this is what the entire thing looks like. I hope you get an idea. I have tried to keep this place very organized, and that is it. I hope you like it. As you can see, my cupboard is filled with books, so I will just clear this section out as the semester is over and I don't need these books anymore. And the notebooks which are completely filled, I'll just remove them. So let's get started.
What's there to say? There's nothing but space in between you and I. It's okay that we change, but it feels kinda strange that you're not in my life. You're the only one that saves me when I'm alone. You're the only love that I've ever known.
So I have to return these many textbooks from where I bought them because there's this facility where we can return our old books and get half the money back. And these are the notebooks which I am throwing away, and these are the textbooks. So as of now, my drawer is completely clean and I have space for new books to keep. Guys, I just got changed into good clothes because I'm going out and I have a bunch of errands to run. I have written down what all work I have to do on my phone, and I have to go to ikea today, so I'm very excited about that. And I'll also shoot over there if I'm allowed to shoot. I'll shoot from my phone itself, so I will put some footage of that. And I also have to return my textbooks of the previous semester, and that is it, I think so. And I'm pretty excited. Let's see how much of things I will be able to shoot. Stay tuned to see.
Would you have stayed if I had been honest with you from the start? Don't say it's okay if I'm falling and you're running away. You're the only one that saves me when I'm alone. You're the only love that I've ever known. But we turn into a flower that never grows. I was hiding like the moonlight that never shone. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you every night. Oh, that's on my mind. Told you that I loved you.
I'm so bored, guys.
What's there to say? There's nothing but space in between you and I. It's okay that we change, but it feels kinda strange that you're not in my life.
सेम 2 स्टार्ट होएगा तभी अब तक तो सेम 1 भी स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ है.
Some things we might regret. Don't steering in the past, am I right? I just want to fall asleep at night.
So guys, my hair looks like this now, and I know this looks very terrible. First of all, secondly, this was such a spontaneous decision, and now I'm paying the consequences of it. Yesterday, after I came back home, I thought of going for a haircut with my sister, and I went to this new place where I have never been before, and I just went there with a mindset that I just wanted to shorten my hair a little bit. My hair was this long, I wanted to go here till here only, that is it. But the guy, I don't know what was in his mind, he literally chopped off my hair till here, as you can see. And I had nothing to say because obviously he had cut my hair and there's nothing I could do about it, or there's nothing that he could do about it. So firstly, this hairstyle doesn't suit my personality. I have never liked short hair on me because I had once gone for short hair when I was in 11th grade, and after that I was like, no, short hair is not meant for me. But this is what I have right now, and I'm so upset. I was so sad when I came back. For 3 hours I was sad, but then I was like, I cannot do anything about it. It's better to embrace it and style it. There's nothing I can do about it. So that is it. My 2021 has started on a very bad note. I'm regretting this so much. But everyone in my family liked the haircut, but me personally, I did not like it. And if I don't like something personally, then there's no one who can make me like it. So that's the problem. Now I have to live with it. I hope my hair grows fast. I was very underconfident. It took me a while to get used to this haircut. I was about to shoot a video for Sunday, but I did not because I was not feeling comfortable in this hairstyle. I will try to shoot it if it is possible. I will post a video on Sunday, or else I will skip Sunday's video. That is it, guys. A moral of the story is to not take spontaneous decisions. If you want to take spontaneous decision, be ready for the consequences. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please press the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below about what you liked about this video. Meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.